Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and it's time to show what I have done from this past week and what I'm still working on. Maybe what I started working on too. So anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it. We're going to start with the basket. I'll call it my basket of the month because that's what I'm doing this year. A basket every month. So I'm going to have 12 new baskets floating around the house. But this is the one I got done. I'll have the link for that basket in the tutorial, not in the tutorial, in the description. Yeah, I think what I learned from this basket that I'm not going to do 4 or 5 strands. I had 5 strands for most of the basket, but the pattern's pretty cool. Alternating front post, double crochet, and double crochet. And to the point it was like, okay, I just could put single crochets to make the handle. So already a good use. I already threw stuff in it. And I think I'm about to throw more stuff in it. There we are. Stuff in basket. Oh, just bumped the camera. So this next one's kind of an oddity. It's soft. Remember, I started it as a shawl. But what I did was put the 2 ends together, and then the 2 ends of the shawl. Probably easy to, kind of like a shawl blanket. And yeah, put the 2 ends together, just put a little band or blanket. So it's almost like a wearable blanket, but not like a Snuggie type wearable blanket. So it's soft. It's cool. It can, me, you can't see it. It's on my lap. So like a wearable lap can, which could be very useful when it's cold and it is soft. So that is that. Oh, by the way, the pattern stitch is a double crochet chain 1, and you double crochet in the chain 1 space. Yeah, I have that. I have a video on the yarn itself with how I did at least the shawl part. That is that. This is a knitting machine project. I think I intended to be a shawl. Or a scarf. I can't make well, I could make a shawl, I guess. But I think I stopped early because I had something was going on with it. And I'm like, oh, there it is. It's like, what was that? So I kind of stopped it. And then I had some leftover. This is from Michael's. It's like the facets yarn, so that worked well on the knitting machine. So a hat that don't fit me. So it's got the facets and this thin. I don't think it's mohair, but it's a nice little child's hat. Put that down here. Alright, so I did a short on the yarn for this. It's the last short I did. I bought it from Amazon. It's like a blanket type yarn, and I made this blue doll, which probably shows that I just added strands of yarn and tied it on. So this is good because it doesn't fray. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I like this. It's cute, and it's blue. So I will link the short for the yarn for this doll. So I'll say I recommend it if you want to use it for projects. So there was enough to make this doll. And a little bit left to make the tiny basket. I made a tiny basket with all the leftover yarn. So yeah, there's no pattern. Anyway, I followed for the doll. That is that one. I know. Okay. That I think covers all the finished stuff. Nope, it doesn't. This funky little basket. This is just a thermal stitch, and I just pinched up the ends. And it's a little basket. Not sure what we're going to do with this one, but that's made it a quick project. Okay, I think that covers. Yeah, thermal stitch, pinch the ends, and voila, basket. Stuff everywhere. Alright. Well, I guess I will show you the Hexie Cardi party hosted by K&K Crochet. That's where I at least learned about the Hexie party, so not much. I just got a little more purple done on the cardigan. So that'll be. So that's fine. This is only the first half, so I'm not sure how many other colors I'm going to add yet. I still have in the cylinder. This is the big twist. I have this color I'll probably add on. I have this yet to add on. Plus I have light purple and this variegated purple. So I'll probably add all those on. Oh, trying to add all those on, and we'll see how this cardigan's gonna look. Plus I have a whole lot of this. I have like 3 skeins of this color here, so there's probably like every 2 we'll throw this color back in. Okay. Let's see, well, not much. This is the yarn I got from the local yarn store like last year. And I think I was just doing the moss stitch. So I wanted to see how the colors were going to turn out, and the colors are turning out pretty cool. I still have the fox I started last year. The kit came from Temu. See, fox. Yeah, it's this fox. I haven't worked on this probably in a year. I think I still am at about ready to add white to that. I should work on that because I like amigurumi. So let's see. Oh, no progress on this shawl, but I was inspired by this project to maybe look doing the same with this. Potentially going, casting off the knitting and I was thinking putting in Tunisian crochet stitch for the band part. That's a thought. I might just, then again, just keep it with a shawl with that. Alright. Always forget. Okay, I got a project on the knitting machine. I'll have a picture for that. And if you've seen a video, you know this is, I take this bag to work and I keep projects in there. There's 2 projects in here. Okay, this is, yeah, I got it from Temu, so obviously because there's Chinese on the band. And this little pretty frays really easily because it's border, I would say. It's not roving, obviously, but it feels like it's barely yarn. It's almost, yeah, it splits real easily, and I already know it doesn't pull it. Even if you want to frog it, that's a disaster. So I was gonna bring my hat. Did a hat many years ago, making 4 of these. I call it domino squares on the top of the hat. So this is the top of the hat, and then putting domino squares on the sides, and then putting a ribbing for the very bottom. Alright, so picture of that, the original hat I did many years ago. So, that in here, and other project a you followed Jada in Stitches, she is doing an unblanket project. So which pretty much you're making a canvas, which that's what this is. Except I'm not doing double crochets. I'm doing the moss stitch again. And then you put appliques on it. So that was my plan for this. Finish this out so it's a little more done, and then make some appliques. And for January, I was thinking that's my birthday month, so I was gonna put like not much, make a bunch of balloons and add balloons like up to the applique, and that will be January. But I am not sure if I'm gonna be committed to this all year long. And I think that covers it, and that's about all I have time right now, because it is before I go to work, and it's about time for me to go. So, I know upcoming, I was tagged by Crochet for what I don't do, or I forgot what it's called, the hashtag is called. Throw that in there somewhere. So I got to tag, go back to the original video that they mentioned, and work on a video that what my no's are. And I guess to give you a sneak peek, my initial thought for no's were yarns in the extreme ends, like thread or size 1 or 2, though I have worked on those, and yarns on the other end, like 7, like the really thick blanket yarn. But I'm learning more and more that the blanket yarns make great little amigurumi projects. So that was one of my thoughts. Anyway, that is all I have. I hope you guys have a great day. If you did like this video, please get a like. I want to see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.